What's good, everyone? Before you watch this video, please go subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. If you're an OG subscriber, you already know that I already did this transition video before, but I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting me and its S2000 on this journey. Alright, so let's get it. Let's start the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Beauty. Alright, so we just made it to our destination. You know what I'm saying? Got the tank here. Got the bags down there.
Connected back the other line in the trunk.
Alright guys, so the car is officially bagged. It's on the ground. I'll give you guys a better shot when I get up in the morning. Damn, Gina. You guys see that little sparkle? Yeah. As you can see, it's still right here. But this driveway is uneven, so it still needs a little bit more adjusting. Because if you look here, so I'm gonna move the car up onto a more leveled spot and see what happens. Alright guys, so right now I'm having to just add a little bit more, not a lot, but just a little bit more on this side. It's almost there, just not fully there yet. Too much camber. Get past here. Too much camber. So we're gonna figure out how to get it to straighten out, so that way it's a little bit out more, because it's way too much. Like I could fit my whole finger in there. It's too much. The front is like butthole tight though.
Wait, it's like a 3-pound cover, guys. I swear to God. I didn't know it was this light.
Damn, fire! Oh, fire!
Yo, look at this, people.
Fire!
All right,
yo, it's a whole new car.
Hey, take your time, take your time. Over there.
Let's see this shit burn.
But we're about to see now. Oh snap. And it clears the brake caliper, because that's what I was kind of nervous about, hoping it didn't touch the brake caliper. But we gotta test the fronts too to see, to make sure. Is this? Oh, different. Yeah, I cannot wait. I gotta get the tires for it ASAP. But Trying to look for some new JDM things, you feel me? So what y'all think? Some new Recaro seats, and then I'll put the S2000 seats up for sale. I mean, for the most part, these are pretty clean. It's got little stains on them, but it's not that deep.
That one is the best that I have. So like everything else, the other, I have this one that's here. The bolsters on the side are completely worn out.
Yeah.
So it's like, it looks like kind of.
Sits way lower now, man. It's perfect. Looks good. I like it. I hope y'all ready for this ice, man. It's about to go down. These tires are rotational, so I have to make sure they're going the right way. Alright. Do y'all see this? Fitment, baby. Fitment, baby. Fucking fire, bro. God damn, son, that shit looks so good. Oh. Yes, fire. Looks 10 times better now with it being painted, right? This thing is gonna be super wide. Alright, so I just went inside and got my light. So this is the diffuser right here, as you guys can see. Hopefully this lighting isn't too bad, but this is the diffuser right here. I got the spoon style diffuser. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how can I mock it up. But I put mine back in the house. Wait. Dirty as hell, do not pay it no mind, but sheesh. Oh man. It's fire right here. Oh, see the Takatas? Oh. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah. Like I was doing before, I'm just tightening up all the loose ends, making sure everything's good. Do not want this bad boy flying off. I was a little skeptical about it with the duckbill, but it actually looks really, really nice. All right, everyone. So this is the S2000 in its final form. Not final, but as it sits today, currently. All right, Voltex bumper, circuit garage flares, work wheels with hand-cooked tires. For the interior, we got the red carpets, red Recaro seats, roll bar, hard top done in the red Alcantara suede. We also got the new steering wheel, carbon steering wheel installed. I'm gonna show you guys how that works in a split second. We also got for the rear end of the car now the spoon style rear diffuser. Let me give you guys a better look at that. Yeah. Then we got the Buddy Club taillights, and the newest addition is the Jay's Racing wing. And here's the new steering wheel and how it works. Yeah. So I just want to say it's been a dope 2 years doing these videos, making content for you guys, creating content for you guys, and we got so much more to go. I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers before the summer gets here. So if you guys can, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K. We got many more to go. Peace.